welcome to Tiny Treasures. Peppa, Daniel, and Poe are waiting for a very special train to arrive. This is no ordinary train. It's a dinosaur train, and this looks like a T-Rex dinosaur. It's green, and there's a red switch on the bottom to start it up. It looks like it's running away. Millions and millions of years ago, dinosaurs were all different sizes and colors. But did you know the most popular dinosaur, the T-Rex, actually was reddish brown in color? This little dinosaur is blue with green stripes. He follows behind the engine. We just hook him on to the little ring. And our third dinosaur is purple with red stripes. It's our caboose. We just clip it on to the blue hook. We're ready to start our train. Let's make sure it runs. The toys can't wait to hop on for a ride. But this train doesn't have seats, so we need to get creative. Let's stop our train. I have a pink elastic band. I'm going to place it around the dinosaur's tail. And here's our safety lesson, tiny fans. Elastic bands are not toys. Please don't wear them around your wrist, your head, or any part of your body. They can be quite dangerous, and they can also be dangerous for animals. Cats can play with them and swallow them, so make sure your elastic bands are put away in a drawer. Oops! Sorry, Poe. Poe the Teletubby gets to ride first. The seatbelt elastic band is working quite well. Okay, Poe, now it's Peppa's turn to ride the dinosaur. Uh-oh! Peppa has fallen. We need to stop the train and fix the elastic band. I think I will put it around her arms. Now again, these are toys and I'm an adult, and elastics do not belong on our bodies. Uh-oh, Peppa's tipped over a little bit. Stay on, Peppa. Oops, now I've stopped the train. Finally, it's Daniel Tiger's turn. Thank you for waiting so patiently, Daniel. You must put on your seatbelt. Uh-oh, the train isn't on its tracks properly. Uh-oh, our train tipped over. Whew, we finally got the train back on the track. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.